All right, in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to replace your primary cat O2 sensors on an N55 engine. And this applies for the F30 chassis. I'm not sure about the E90 and previous gens if they're the same. This is a very simple procedure. All you need is one O2 sensor socket and a wrench. These are a lifesaver. You can get these online on Amazon, auto parts store. It's a very simple tool and it's very efficient. First of all, what you want to do is I removed this engine cover. I read online that some people removed a bunch of stuff like the strut bar, the plastic coverings. I didn't do any of that. All I did was remove this plastic engine cover, which was super basic, no tools, nothing. It just pops right off. And then this is going to be your clip for the primary O2 sensor. And what you want to do on this is push down on this. First, you can pull it out of here and then push down on this. All right, so that was kind of hard to do with just one hand while holding the camera, but you'll clip on this and then just pull it out of here and that should come off. Now, once you have that, you can let this dangle down there so that once you break the O2 sensor loose, it should give you more access and more room. Now, so what you're gonna do is take your O2 sensor socket, move this up so you have more room, and you wanna just place the O2 sensor socket right on top of that O2 sensor, just like that. My car's hot because I just turned it on, but make sure you do this on a cool engine. Now, once you have it locked in like that, then you will take your ratchet and just clip your ratchet into place. Make sure it's in the correct orientation on loosen, and you can just pop it right in there and then just turn. Now that's locked in. Make it, turn it to loosen, and then just turn it, break it free. Once you've broken that free, you can pull this out, and then with the sensor, the O2 sensor socket on here, you can just unloosen that, and then you can pull this off to get it out of there. And then once you have the O2 sensor fully loosened and you're able to pull it out, you want to follow this line. Usually this O2 sensor line will bolt onto a bracket right there. If it's easier, you can just remove that whole cable or cord for the O2 sensor and then unclip it from that harness afterwards. Or if you can, or if you're able to pull it out, you want to get in there and push that up, and then that's about it. After that, it unthreads, and the install process is the exact opposite. This is a very, very quick and easy job. It should take you no less, or no more than rather, 5 minutes. The downstream O2 sensor is a complete different scenario, and that one is super hard because you have to jack the car up, do it from the bottom, and it does take a lot of time. But this is a very simple tutorial.